How to create material transfer issue in Businet. Users can create material transfer issue against transfer types, such as branch transfer or warehouse transfer. Once transfer type is selected, the users need to select the respective source, destination warehouses and branches, and further select the requisition number. The items will be auto-populated, and then the users can fill the mandatory fields such as issued quantity, price, batch details, etc. Also, users need to fill mandatory transporter details. Once document is approved, users can generate PDF print of the respective document. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.